Is this 1999 all over again? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, July the 6th, and what a day. My goodness gracious. They are skyrocketing. NASDAQ's up almost 200. Dow's up 3-something. The S&P's up 30-something points. Russell's been a little weaker, only up about 11, 12 points after being up almost 40 this morning. I don't know. We're seeing just crazy buying. It certainly has a remnants of the 90s. Is this a bubble? Yes, it is a bubble. But again, nobody knows when it's going to pop. And that is always the question, which is why it's just easier to follow a method and stick with it. Because at the end of the day, what you're going to end up with is a mess if you try to outguess, outsharp the market the way it goes. It's that simple. Okay. So right now we remain short the Dow, S&P, and Russell, and still long the NASDAQ. So fortunately, the NASDAQ has almost gone up more than the other three combined have gone down based on our equity. But at the end of the day, like I said, when we change, we'll change, and we'll get with it. But again, it would be no surprise to me if we saw some weakness coming in. There's been one sell-off attempt already, which has failed, and they're rallying again. But again, we'll see. Metals have been fairly wild. Gold is up a little bit now. It did get up almost $9 or $10 after being down about $7 or $8, but whipping around. But again, it's whipping around that level we write about every day, 1780. Okay. Silver charging higher. Looks like it's up to going to make new yearly highs. Platinum was up about $13, $14. Now it's back to unchanged. Again, we're long gold and silver, short platinum. Crude has been on both sides of unchanged. Again, you know that this is my level right here, 40. So again, let it stay here. Let our stop keep coming up so that I can get a short closer to here, because I know we're going to be getting short soon. So at the end of the day, let it keep where it's at. No problems. I have nothing to complain about. It's all good. Bonds are lower. We're still long. And notes. Nat gas higher. We're short. Copper higher. We're long. The dollar is getting smushed. We're short, but of course we are long the euro currency. So kind of a zero-sum game right there at the moment. But again, you continue to watch and see this kind of market. It's crazy action. And either way, again, we will eventually be on the right side, and we'll be on the right side for a long home run hit. So we can always be patient enough. And fortunately, the portfolios are making new highs anyway. So it's all good. Grain markets, week to week, not a surprise, right? We said soybeans and corn had broken out, and they are both up nicely again today. Wheat was higher. It is now lower. We're still long corn, long soybeans, and short wheat. Cattle is higher, which we're long both. Hogs are a little bit higher. But again, I expect a sharp up move in hogs at one point this week again. I said it last week. We didn't get it. But again, I expect to see a pretty solid dead cat bounce. But in the meantime, overall, we'll remain long cattle, short hogs, and that just to be the way it'll be. And, again, I don't change things. Day trading is one thing. Changing long-term positions is another, and I'm not changing those until the algorithm says it's time. In the meantime, as you know, our commodity report, the quarterlies are out, and they are awesome. And again, I don't know if you're a commodities player or trader, but there is none better than Andy Heck, the number one author for Seeking Alpha, who's now part of the Bubba Trading Company. And of course, number one silver trader in the world at one point, and also traveled worldwide trading physical commodities. Our brokers, again, second to none. CTG for futures and commodities. Again, they do by far the nicest job in the market that I've ever seen customer service wise. They take care of you. They're there for you. They've got some great new products. You got to check them out. You want their information, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll be happy to send it to you. And of course, for equities and options, there's nobody like Trader. First of all, they're great and got great customer service. Second, again, $10 a month. I asked you, do you want to pay money to a broker or do you want to put it in your pocket? That's up to you. But in the meantime, I have other brokers that I use, but I predominantly use CTG for commodities and futures and Trader for my equities and options. Because we have their APIs, so we tie in a lot of our automated stuff. I mean, rolling away today on my hedges is great. So again, you want information, either one, just email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. And again, we'll talk more later this week about our brand new partnership with the family farms. Great organization, great people, love them. They're so much fun to be with and do a lot of great work. So we'll be talking more about that. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Listen, have a great trading day, everybody. It's hot out there and the markets are cooking, but don't be surprised if there's a little bit of a turn later today. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.